Hello friends, and welcome back to another money video. So in today's video, I'm sat by my computer and I really wanted to share with you something that has been highly requested, which is my investment portfolio. And so today I wanted to share with you one of my many investment portfolios that I have. Now, when I started my investment journey, I started with Trading 212 and I started a trading invest account. And that's for the simple fact that I knew that I wanted a stocks and shares ISA, but I just didn't know which platform to utilize the ISA on. So I thought, let me just start my investment journey. We'll start an invest account. And then once I figured out which is the best option for me in terms of a stocks and shares ISA, then I will think about it going forward, how I can shift my investments in that way. Anyway, long story short, I ended up with a Trading 212 stocks and shares ISA, but for today's video, I want to share with you what's in that invest account. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, this is the exact same investments, maybe bar a couple of changes here and there. And I just basically want to share with you how that particular portfolio has grown and changed and what each of the stocks in there, how they're performing. And so let's just get into the computer. Let me share my screen and show you exactly how each of these shares are performing. But before we do, if you are new here, hi, my name's Yvonne and I make new videos every week where I like to talk about how to save money, make money and grow your money. And that's because I'm on a personal journey to financial freedom and early retirement. And I'm sharing all the tips, tricks, hacks that are helping me along the way in the hopes that they can help you too. I will put a huge disclaimer and say that this is a beginner stock portfolio. And as I'm learning how to invest, I'm sharing my tips on all the lessons, both positive and negative, that I'm learning on this journey. So if you are interested in that type of content, then please make sure to hit that like button. Consider joining our community by subscribing and share this video with someone who wants to make a positive impact on their finances. So like I said before, this is an account that is pretty much just been left to grow as I have now shifted a lot of my money towards my ISA and I want to utilize my tax allowance for the year, and I've been spending more time on that. So for the purposes of today's video, I'm just going to be showing you what's in my investment account. Okay, so here we go. This is my investment portfolio as it currently stands in Trading 212. What I really want to share in this video today is I just want to show you an update of what I have in my investment account. Now, in this account, I've kind of like stopped putting any more money into it because I want to utilize the ISA a lot more. And so I've just let this particular account just grow as it is. All right, so as you can see, I've invested £817 into this particular account and it's giving me a return of £227, which is 27.85%, and I'm really happy about that. So if we look back, I started investing in this account in August, late August, and over time my portfolio has been growing. At its highest point, it was giving me a return of 63%, which was amazing. And as the stock market is currently on a downward trend, you can see that's affecting my investments as well, which is fine, but because for the most part, most of these are just going to sit there and I'm just going to keep a watch over them over time. So the first one is 3M, and I purchased 0.12 shares in 3M and it's up 15%. So it's made me an additional £2.37 and I'm happy about that. The next one is Amazon. I purchased less than 0.1 of a share, so 0.01 of a share, and it's currently down at 5%, but I'm not too worried about that because Amazon's a great company. I'm just going to hold on to that. Might be a time to buy it when it's at a dip at the moment, just because I think that Amazon is just going to keep growing and I'm okay with that. Apple in the same way is I bought 0.8 shares of Apple and I am currently down 1.5%, and same strategy. I probably will buy a bit more during the dip and just continue to watch that. It's a stock that I'm going to hold on for a while, so I'm going to try and make sure that I get full shares of these companies. Centamine, I am currently down 45%. So my average price in Centamine was 202 pence, £2, and it's currently down. So the current price is £1.09. So I'm just going to leave those at the moment. I'm not really looking to make much of a difference. I'll just keep a watching brief on those ones on Centamine and then just leave it as that. I bought 1.6 shares in EasyJet, and I'm currently up 70.95%. So I'm really happy with that, and I'm hoping that that will continue to rise as the world opens up and people can start traveling a little bit more. So I also purchased 0.21 shares in Etsy, and I am currently up 46%. I purchased some shares, 0.49 shares in Avery, which is a subsidiary of Every Games Holding, and this one was a little bit of a risk for my part, and it's paid off because I'm up 103%. I really do wish I had put a bit more money, but like I said, if you know me on this channel, you'll know that I'm risk averse, so I tested it out and it's doing quite well. So like I said, I wish I'd put more money into it, but it's never too late to buy, so we'll see about that. I've got 0.2 shares in Facebook, and I'm up 7%. So this one is quite good because for the longest time I was down, so it's quite nice to see that this is growing. Like I said, probably same strategy with Apple and so, and try and make sure that I get up to one full share. So one share is £300, and I will slowly be building up. Farfetch is again another one that I took a risk with alongside Every. I bought them at the same time, so I'm up 66.75%. Really happy with that. General Electric was one of my free shares that I've gotten from somebody signing up. I had quite a few of General Electrics, but I've sold them and used the money to invest in my ISA. So really happy that I've still got one more share that's come through, and it's up 21.49%. So really happy with that. We'll talk about Hillian Holdings in a moment, because this is one of those again that I took a risk in, and currently it is down 82%, but I'm just gonna hold on to that and keep a watching brief on that and see what happens. I haven't made my mind what I'm going to do with that one, but if you do have Hillian Holdings stocks, please let me know what your strategy is. Then I've got 5 shares in iShares Global Clean Energy, and I'm up 9.6% on that. I've got 0.06 shares in McDonald's. Again, I'm up 3% on that. I've got 3 National Grid shares, which again were free shares, and I am currently up 5% on those. I will possibly be selling those pretty soon and using the money to invest in something else. I've got 5 shares in Neo worth £155, so I'm up 46% and really happy with that one. Then I've got 10 shares in Royal Mail, and my average price is £3.20, and each share price is currently worth £5, and so I'm up 55%. So super happy with that one. Again, this is another US based stock that I purchased because I just thought it was a really good investment. Again, as I'm risk averse, I only put a little bit of money in there, but I put just £10 in there. I bought 0.08 shares, and I'm up almost 40%. So really happy with that. Wish I'd put more money in it, but watch this space. I've got 0.26 shares in Tesla with an average price of $400, and each share price is worth $600 at the moment, and I'm up 52%. So super happy with that return. So I bought that just after the stock split, and really happy with the returns on that one. Again, this is another free share that I've gotten, which is Under Armour, and I am up 128% on that one. So super happy with that. If you'd have seen my previous videos, you'd have seen that Upwork was one of my best performing shares. So I sold a few and used that money to invest in a few other shares. But you can see that I've got 4 shares in Upwork, and I'm up 114%. So super duper happy with that. Absolutely love this stock, absolutely love this company, love everything about them. Absolutely happy that I'm making 115% on that. And then I've got my 2 Vanguards, my Vanguard FTSE 100, which is up 14.23%, and my Vanguard S&P 500, which is up 15%. And then the last 2 shares that I have are Virgin Galactic. I've got 1.76 shares in that, and I'm up 6.2%. And finally, I've got 0.4 shares in Walmart, and I'm up 0.6% in that. So really happy with the returns that I'm getting back. Like I mentioned, I purchased Hillian Holdings Holdings at the highest price, and I'm currently down 82% on that. If you want a full video of why I bought Hillian Holdings and what I'm going to do with this stock, then please make sure to hit that like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe. And so yeah, there you have it. That is my stock portfolio for my Trading 212 Invest account and how it's performing so far. Please let me know if you're interested in more investing videos, because I can do more of those because I've learned so much on my journey. Please let me know in the comments below how your stocks and shares are performing, if you have some good stocks that are doing really well, if there's some lessons that you are learning as well, as I did with Hillian Holdings, and I'm still yet to decide what it is that I'm going to do with that particular stock. Also, please make sure that if you do want a free stock, a share that can perform just as well or even better than mine, then please make sure to hit the links in the descriptions below. Deposit some money into your account and you could get a free share worth up to £100. That's potentially 99 free pounds just for depositing £1. Also, please make sure to check out all these videos which will show you all the personal finance tips I am currently implementing in my life that have saved me thousands of pounds. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you in the comments below, and of course I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.